Hi, I'm Tiffany I was just tired of just not being happy and always looking back at past pictures and saying, oh, look how great I used to look. And I one day woke up and decided, enough's enough. Stop looking back and time to move forward. The main goals were I was just tired of looking back at my old pictures and saying, oh, look how great I used to look. Look, I needed to move forward and take new pictures. Admire myself in my new pictures. I wanted to feel stronger, more confident, just order the outfits that I really like and not be like, oh no, I'm too fat to wear those. So definitely to have more confidence, which I have. When I first started, the challenges were time management. I own a business. And thankfully my family was on board to help me. My husband's a chef. My children were very supportive, and I was really worried about not being able to have the support and to be able to take care of me. When you have the support of your family, that's everything. The most memorable things are just throwing out all my clothes, all my fat clothes I call them. Actually, well, I donated them. And just most recently being able to wear my daughter's clothes, shopping for new stuff and shopping in my daughters who are 22 and 25, shopping in their closets. And they're so excited when I get to wear their jeans and they get to style me up from their closet. So huge win. And the compliments from people. Everybody needs to do this. I'm going to cry right now. No, seriously. Every woman should feel this beautiful and empowered. And working with Sarah and Paul the photographer, I never thought this would happen. Sarah's amazing. Life-changing. Who that girl? Who is she? She's 53. We're almost 53. So you know what? No more looking back at those photos. Moving forward. It's unreal. Best feeling in the world. Oh man, it's just, when the girls are standing there watching you too and just like screaming, Tiffany, that's the shot. You look amazing. And you just feel so empowered when other women are supporting you. That's what we strive for, Let's just support each other and let's feel great. Yeah, and Paul is so great too. He just makes you feel so amazing and so beautiful, and I felt so confident and never thought I'd be able to feel that again, but here I am. I'm surrounded by a great group of women, and I couldn't ask for better friends, new friends that I have, and let's just do more of this. Let's support each other. It was not easy. It's not easy, but we had each other. We checked in every day, and we had good days, we had bad days, and we were there for each other, and that was so important. And being able to feel strong and lift up things. I don't need anybody to help me lift things. I traveled recently, and I'm like carrying my own luggage, and I'm like, I don't need no bellboy. I can do my own. I can carry my own luggage. I feel better about myself, and being able to go shopping and buy the outfits I actually want, because inside I felt a certain way, but I felt different on the outside. And now I go shopping and I have way more confidence, and I can wear those crop tops at 52 years old. And just that the fact that my family's so proud of me and I can do this and I can wear it, and just the confidence is huge. Less alcohol, don't need it. You can actually make food taste delicious and eat on plan. Sarah's got some great recipes. We've made burger bowls. We've gotten very creative. My husband being a chef, we've gotten very creative using our macros. You can actually eat very, very well. And I don't crave the sugar. I don't crave the alcohol. I don't crave the salty chips. I just want healthy food. And if I don't have it, I feel it in my body. So just loving the fact that I can still eat delicious meals and on plan. Even with Sarah's plan, she's been giving me refeeds where I'm like, okay, those are the days where, okay, I'm going to do a little bit of proper cheating and, eating a few more carbs. So you're not really missing it. But with Sarah's recipes, you don't miss food. You can actually eat really delicious and healthy. She's like a sister. She's always there. She's always a text away. Good days, bad days, she supports. She's probably one of the most important people in my life right now. Without her, I don't even know where I'd be with this journey. She's fabulous. She's amazing. Thanks, Sarah. I love you. Oh my gosh, it feels great. And I really wish people will actually completely listen to me and understand, like, this is real. You can feel great too. It is hard. It's not easy, but you need to take the time for yourself. Life can just get away from you, and it's time to come back and take care of yourself. And if you're not taking care of yourself, you're not going to be there for your family or for anybody else. You're not going to be there for my grandchildren in the future. And I just want to be strong, and I want to live a long life and be the hottest grandma in the nursing home. I'm taking a week's break. I'm just going to not go crazy, still do my workouts, but I'm going to just enjoy my husband's birthday coming up, and then I'm back at it. I still have more muscle to build. I still have more fat to lose, and just to keep inspiring people too, the way Sarah has.